The TikTok time limit. How long can your POV be?
Hello there, TikTok enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a frequently asked question. Is there a limit to how long a POV TikTok video can be? Let's explore this and find out just how long you can make your TikTok videos.
What is a POV TikTok video?
First, let's quickly go over what we mean by a POV TikTok video. POV stands for point of view, a popular format on TikTok where creators make videos as if the viewer is a main character or part of the scene. Now, let's move on to the main question.
So, how long can a TikTok video be?
As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, TikTok allowed users to make videos up to 3 minutes long. This was an increase from the original limit of 15 seconds, expanded to 60 seconds, and then to the current 3 minutes. So, if you're making a POV video, this is the maximum length it can be.
Are there any changes?
Do note that the platform continuously evolves, and the video length limit may have changed after my last update in September 2021. It's always a good idea to check the latest updates from TikTok. To wrap it up, as of my last update, TikTok videos including POVs can be up to 3 minutes long. But, always remember to stay updated with TikTok's guidelines as they might have changed. Now, get out there and create those amazing TikToks. Happy creating!